Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to create a business email account. Creating a business email account is essential for professional communication and establishing credibility for your brand or company. A dedicated business email helps you separate personal and work correspondence, manage clients efficiently, and maintain a professional image. Using Google, you can easily set up a business email account on your mobile device in just a few steps. First, open the Google app on your mobile phone. Now, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see the Switch Account option, so tap on it. Then, select Add Another Account option. After checking your info, it will ask you to sign into your account. To create a new one, tap Create Account. Next, select whether it is for personal use or for work. If it is for work, select it and add your first name. Then enter your surname and tap Next. Now, enter your date of birth and gender. Go to the Next and create the Gmail address for signing into your account. Tap Next and create a strong password for the security of your account. Go to Next and scroll down to review all the privacy policies. Afterwards, tap I agree button to move next. It will start checking your info and your account will be created. To sign in, tap the profile icon in the Google app. Lastly, go to the Switch account and select your account to sign in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.